Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on the look that I'm wearing right now. It's kind of like a purple lavender ethereal monochromatic look. That's a lot of words, but I kind of think that describes it, and I really like how it turned out. Before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below if you have not already done so. It only takes a second. It's completely free. You won't regret it. Like this video if you enjoy it. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. I want your love. Alright guys, so my base is already done. I did my foundation, concealer, and powder just to save on time since this is more focused on the eyes and the lips. The focus isn't as much on the skin today, so I'm just going to go ahead and get started. For today's look, I'm going to be using two palettes. Now I know I use this first one a lot. This is the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette. There's just so many shades that I love in there, and it's like my mainly used palette kind of. The other one I'm going to use is the Morphe x KathleenLights palette. I know this was limited edition and it's no longer available, but if you do have it, then awesome. If not, I know you can get the shades I'm going to use in here in other palettes. I'm only reaching into this palette for one shade, and you can find this in other palettes. I have a similar one in my Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette. That's just the shade that I found in my collection that I like for this look. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and get started on the eyes. I am going to start off with the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going to go into this shade right here, which I believe is Silk Cream. I'm just going to take a big fluffy brush and kind of put that everywhere, like throughout my crease. This is a really light shade. It doesn't show up too much. I'm just kind of laying this down as like a base or a first transition. Now with another blending brush, I'm going to go into the shade Pooter right here. This is just a little bit more of a deeper transition shade. I'm just going to put that into the crease. A little bit less messy, but still like the same idea. Now I'm going to go into the KathleenLights palette. I'm going to take a little bit of a more precise blending brush, and I'm going to go into the shade right here. These shades in this palette do not have names on them, so I'm just taking this like lighter purpley shade right here, right next to the deeper one. And I'm just going to start by taking some on my brush, and I'm patting this on the outer corner and the inner corner. So this is going to be like a halo eye. I'm just going to very slowly take that into my crease. Start blending it out. This is the only shade that I'm using from the KathleenLights palette. Same thing on the other eye. I am going to go into that first large blending brush, and I'm going to blend everything out. Just to make sure that everything is super seamless. I know it seems kind of excessive how much people blend, but you just want to have everything look super seamless. Alright, so now I'm going to go back into the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to take this shade right here, which is Obsessed. Really pretty, like cool toned shimmer. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. You just have to see it on the lid. I'm going to take that with my finger, and I'm going to apply it to the center of my lid. It looks so incredibly beautiful with the purple. I'm going to take that brush that I used to apply the purple shade, and I'm just going to kind of blend around the edges so it's not harsh there. Now I'm going back into the KathleenLights palette, and I'm going to take that purple shade that I used before, and I'm going to take a brush like this to do my lower lash line so it all like ties together. I am going to take my nude Colourpop pencil, and I'm just going to line my waterline with this. This is really going to like brighten and open up the eyes. It's going to look really good with this look. I'm going to go straight to bronzer now, and I am going to be using my Butter Bronzer again. I haven't used this for a few videos, so we're going to use it today with my e.l.f. brush. I'm just going to bronze up the skin. I feel like my face is looking a little bit paler than the rest of my body today, which makes me excited. It's of course a good thing. Alright, now we're going to do some blush, and I'm going to use this e.l.f. Pressed Mineral Blush. The letters on the packaging are all worn off, but this is in the shade Jetsetter. I've used this before. I think I actually used it like a couple videos ago. It's kind of got this like purpley tone to it. I don't know if you can see, but it's almost like a dupe for that eyeshadow. The purple one that I use, the one beside the dark purple one, it's like almost the exact same shade, so it's going to go really well with this look. I'm just going to use that on my Real Techniques blush brush. Alright, now that blush is done, we're going to move on to highlight. And today I'm going to be using the Sleek Makeup Highlighting Palette. And this is in the Solstice shade. This is the one that was really popular there for a while. And it's got like the lavender shade in it. So I'm going to be trying to use a little bit of that today since that's kind of the vibe we have going on. Hopefully it doesn't look too crazy. But I'm going to start out first with the shade right below it. This one's a little bit more of like a champagne kind of shade. I'm just going to use a little bit of that. I'm going to start applying that to my cheekbones. You really only need the tiniest amount of this because this stuff is like pretty darn intense, and if you're not careful you'll look like pretty crazy. Okay, now I'm going to try to go into this lavender shade right here and just apply a little bit like to the tops of my cheekbones. We're going to see how that turns out. Holy cow, that's intense. It's like kind of scary, a little bit scary. Yep, that's all we need. Now that I look insane, I'm just going to do my eyebrows really quickly now. I'm going to try to make them kind of feathery to go with like this kind of ethereal vibe. I'm going to take some of the champagne shade from this palette and I'm going to apply that to like the inner corners of my eye and a tiny bit on my brow bone. I thought of doing the lavender, but I feel like that would just be too much. Now I'm just going to curl my lashes and apply some mascara. Just using my Benefit Roller Lash as usual. To finish this off, I'm just going to do my lips. I'm going to start by lining my lips with just a basic nude lip pencil. This is the Milani Color Statement Lip Liner in All Natural, number 4 All Natural. Now I'm just going to go over that with the Covergirl lipstick in 550. It just says 550, there's no name on it, so we're just going to go with 550. I'm going to go over top of that with the Maybelline Shineshot Glassy Shine Top Coat. This is just a clear lip gloss. I'm going to set my face now with the NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. Alright, so that actually completes this look. This is how it turned out. I really like it. I feel like it goes together very well. It's monochromatic, super intensely glowy from this highlight, but I really like it. I think it's really pretty. As usual, leave me a comment down below letting me know any future requests that you may have. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the little notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload videos. And also you can go ahead and follow me on my other social media. Again, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!